Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Trends and signing in so your settings persist. Type a precise keyword or topic and add comparisons with the plus button to see relative interest. Once done, immediately set the region and time range to focus the data. This changes the baseline and makes trends meaningful. Make sure to choose an appropriate category if your term is ambiguous, because that excludes unrelated searches and improves signal versus noise. Now you refine the query. Switch search type between web, image, news, or YouTube to match user intent, because different platforms show different behavior patterns. Next, change time granularity to capture seasonal cycles or short spikes, and compare regions or subregions to spot geographic differences. Also review related queries and rising terms to understand why interest changes. This reveals adjacent topics and can guide content or product decisions. Don't skip comparing multiple. Finish by exporting the chart or downloading the CSV so you can analyze numbers offline and combine with other data. When comparing terms, normalize results by adding a stable baseline keyword so relative indices align and your interpretation is accurate. If you see sparse or zero data, broaden the time range, switch to a larger region, or use a more general synonym to capture volume. If results still look wrong, clear filters and repeat the steps to ensure no unintended constraints remain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.